I am loafer obsessed, and here are my tips to help you break in your loafers and to make them the most comfortable shoes you own. Starting off with socks, a lot of people will buy these no-show socks, which are great to wear with loafers, but at the same time, these are pretty thin. There are plenty of companies that make a thicker option, like these. They have plastic on the back of the heel here, so it can really grip onto your foot and it's not gonna be sliding down the back of your heel. First up are these little silicone stickies. These are great to put in the back of your heel, especially if there's some extra gapping here. When there's extra gapping, it can create some space and then it could rub against the back of your heel, which does create a blister. So these are cushy, they're comfortable, and it makes your shoe fit on your foot a little bit more snug. And if your brand new loafers are especially big, this is a better option. Has that same type of thing for the back of your foot, but this is also for the middle part. It just provides more cushion and also more grip so that your foot will not be sliding back and forth in your loafer. And my last silicone option are these. This is really great if you're not having any problems in the back, but your problems are more focused towards like the front toe area. If you're kind of moving about and have extra space up here, this is great to really target that area. It has these little grooves in it to really grip onto your foot. It's cushy and will make your loafer so much more comfortable. And unfortunately, you can do everything you can to help prevent a blister, but sometimes they are inevitable and they just happen. And if you do get a blister, you can either put a Band-Aid on it. They have ones that are specially made for blisters, but I also really like these moleskins. They're just really sensitive and soft, and you can put them on a lot of different spots on your foot, just like this, and they come in a lot of different shapes. And I hope these tips help you out, and comment below your favorite tips for breaking in your shoes.